So the purpose of our visit is to reaffirm our continued partnership with Samoa, to look at the work that we're doing together, resolve any areas where we need to do better, and also to think strategically or discuss what the government's priorities would be for using a significant scale-up of resources from IDA. Samoa would benefit considerably. The resources that we're able to bring to the table would increase by threefold, thereabouts, over the next 3 years. So this is it's a fantastic opportunity, but we also have to approach it with a very strategic orientation, with our feet on the ground, to know what our comparative advantage is, what we're able to do, what we cannot do, and also to listen to the government in terms of what it's interested in seeing us do.